Hello and welcome to the Side One YouTube channel. My name is Ray, and in this video we're going to be unboxing this Ferrex mini grinder. This is a 20 volt lithium ion battery powered angle grinder that I picked up today from the Aldi supermarket in Bendigo. Okay, so first thing to note is these things do not come with batteries or chargers. They are just the grinder itself. Now I do use these batteries, so I have got them. So let's have a look and see what we get in the box. So first thing out, we've got the manual. We've got a box in here, and inside the box we have a 5mm Allen key, and we have a number of grinding discs. So this one's actually a grinding disc. There are two cutting discs. These will cut metal and plastic. And then there's this diamond coated tile cutting disc. Next thing to look at is the grinder itself. Okay. There's nothing else in the box. I'll just move that out of the way. Alright, so this is the grinder itself. There is a cover over here which provides a little bit more protection when you're cutting. You probably wouldn't want it on there while you're grinding as such. But if you're cutting, you definitely want that on. Our battery fits on here, so I'll just grab a battery. So this is one of the 2 amp hour Xfinity Plus batteries, 98% charged. These are the same ones I use for a lot of the battery power tools that I have here. Alright, so in the manual it comes with a 5-year warranty on this thing. It covers all of the basics, what's in the pack. 2 metal cutting discs, 1 diamond cutting disc, and 1 grinding disc. You've got the grinder itself, the outer guard, the hex key, this manual, and the warranty card, if you could call it a card. It does have all of the normal safety warnings associated with this. One of the ones I did find interesting was do not operate power tool in explosive atmosphere, such as in the presence of flammable liquids, gases or dust. Yes, these things will throw sparks, and lots of them. So yeah, definitely follow that one. If you're going to do any sort of work in this area on the head where the discs go, make sure you remove the battery first. We don't want it accidentally starting up while you're doing so. So yep, about half the manual is safety instructions. Then we've got the breakdown on the layout of the power tool and instructions on installing the safety guard, and also for changing out the cutting grinding discs, installing and removing of the battery pack, and then the general operation. So I'm just going to see how easy it is to install a disc on it. So I'm going to put one of the cutting discs on. Yep. So for that, on this side you've got the power switch, and then you've got a spindle lock button. Don't use this button while it's turning. It will damage the grinder if you do. Now, to loosen this off, you may, when you push the spindle lock button, you may have to rotate it until it clicks in. So there's a raised bit on here which makes it easy. A hole in the middle of the disc lines up nicely on that raised bit. Again, you have, in this case, a cavity for that raised bit to go into on the clamping washer, and then we can put our Allen key back in. Tighten it up. Now this is the cutting disc, so I will put this cover back on. And it's clicked into place on both this edge and on this edge down here. Now, let's just see how noisy this head rotates a bit. Let's see how noisy this is. So I'm going to turn my background noise suppression off for a sec. And you can hear how noisy this is. That's actually not too bad. I was expecting it to be a lot noisier than that. Right, so before doing anything on this end, always remove the battery. When you're not using it, it's safer to remove the battery anyway. Okay, so that was a lot quieter than I was expecting it to be. Yeah, so if you like these videos, don't forget to click on like, subscribe, ring that notification bell. It's a form of support that helps the channel a great deal and costs you absolutely nothing. If you'd like to help the channel further, I do have a Patreon account, and you can join my VIP patron, Go Lucky, and my builder patrons, Elmrails45 and White Wolf. I also have a Discord channel. If you have any questions, you can always come into the Discord channel and ask there, or leave a comment below. If I can't answer the question in Discord, someone else might be able to. And we'll see you in the next video.